Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about our next upcoming schedule. Many of you have been messaging me in WhatsApp and also emailing me to know more about the next schedule. I thought I would actually create this short video in order to go through the next schedule. All right, so let's get started. So as many of you know, we always have two different batches, right? So one is a weekend batch. So the weekend batch is going to start from March 1st. The timings are going to be every Saturday, 11:45 a.m. to 1:45 p.m. Central Time. Similarly, on Sunday, 1:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Central Time. So as you know that this is a 12 to 14 weeks program. Our coaching program would go from 2.5 to 3 months. Similarly, I also have weekday evening batch that is going to start from March 3rd. The timings are going to be every Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time. Okay. So again, this would also go for next, 2.5 to 3 months. And then if you're really wondering about what we are actually going to cover as part of our curriculum, please do watch my previous video. I will also post the link in the bottom of, the description as well. Just to quickly summarize, so we are going to learn various SCM tools. We are going to learn various CI/CD tools. We will also learn, various infrastructure automation, configuration management tool, and we will also cover, Docker, Kubernetes, Helm, and whatnot. And then we will also cover, Prometheus, and then of course, Grafana and so on. And then again, we are going to practice everything in both AWS Cloud as well as Azure Cloud. So this is completely DevSecOps coaching program, but we are going to leverage both AWS Cloud as well as Azure Cloud. All right, so that's all about our next upcoming schedule. So if you're really interested in joining our program, so please do message me in WhatsApp, or you can also email me. The contact information is right here. So that's my WhatsApp number, and then this is my email address. Yeah, if you're really interested, yeah, do message me, and then I will definitely see you in the class. Thank you so much.